Types of personal computers. Desktop computer. It is of two types, desktop model and tower model. It constitutes a CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Tower model acquires less space, so it is easier to install additional storage devices. Laptop. It is mini, movable device which is also known as notebook computers. Handheld computers, palm tops. It is a tiny device which is of palm size, contains less functions but is more logical to use for certain functions. It is known as pocket computers. Personal digital computers, assistants. It is a device which can be held in hands, like cellular phone. It uses a pen instead of keyboard and it is called PDAs. Tablet PC. It is slate-shaped notebook computer with touchscreen. Workstation is terminal or desktop computer in a network.